Hey guys, this is Ashley. I just wanted to show you how to make a delicious hummus spread for your family. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. And I have hummus. I'm just mixing it up right here. This is the Aldi brand. Just going to mix it up. I like for my food to be pretty in presentation. So I am going to make a pretty plate. I have the vegetables here that I've already pre-cut. We have some bell peppers, some olives, cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes, onions. And we're gonna use 2 pieces of the chicken, the tandoori bites, the non-style tandoori bites, feta cheese, and I have celiac, and so we're gonna use rosemary, cassava, and chickpea crackers. These are from Aldi. If you have not had these, I highly suggest them. They are delicious and very me-friendly, as I would say. So this is a very quick meal, and let's just make it happen. Okay, we're going to start with putting the hummus in the very center because that is the star of the show, right? Let's get all of that in there. I'm just going to kind of spread it out a little bit. I think that for today, I'm probably going to just do a pretty big circle so that we can get, the things around it that we would like to put around, like the vegetables and the meat, and the crackers and the bread. Such an easy meal. This is going to be a $20 or less meal. So first thing that we want to put on our hummus is I've got some onions here. Honestly, this was just a single slice of onion, and we're going to just spread it around. You can use red onions. These are just kind of what I had on hand, so that's what we're using for today. Okay, onions. Again, this is maybe 2 slices of a Roma tomato. So we're going to put that on here as well. Such an easy meal, or an appetizer if you're at a party, but tonight we're making it a full meal. Okay, and then I chopped up a couple slices of cucumber. So I'm going to put that on here as well. Look at that, it's already looking so delicious. Okay, and then we have just a couple of olives. I think that I cut up maybe 3 or 4. You can do as many or as little as you like. Some people don't like olives. I love olives. Okay. And then we're going to do feta cheese. Again, you can do as much or as little of this as you would like. Oh, I should have probably broken that up a little bit beforehand, but that's all right. This is dill. Okay. We're just going to give a pretty generous sprinkling of that on your hummus. All of these flavors are going to come together and they're going to taste so delicious for dinner. I've got some olive oil, again from Aldi. Love Aldi. We're just going to kind of drizzle that on. I took some mini peppers and I just put them in half. And let's see, how do I want to present this? Let's do the cucumbers first. This is about a half of a cucumber. You can use the whole cucumber if you'd like. There's 5 people in my family, and so I'm just trying to kind of get the things that they enjoy and that I enjoy, and make it for $20 or less. That is usually the goal. Today I spent probably about $25. just because I bought the chicken. But again, you don't have to do that. If you were to leave that off, you could easily make this for under $20. Yeah, let's kind of alternate those. That's looking good. You know, you don't have to make this pretty. You can do whatever you like. This is just what I enjoy doing. I enjoy making things pretty for my family and for guests, for parties. This is a huge hit at parties, by the way. Huge hit. I have made it several times over the past couple of months with Thanksgiving and Christmas, and it is a hit. It's one of the first things to go, and people are asking for recipes, so that is definitely a good thing when you're making food or hosting something for other people. Let's get this chicken on here. This is just 2 pieces of that chicken. I'm going to make some other meals with it, and that's what I often do, kind of get some protein in there. So we're just gonna, I pre-sliced it as well. It does not come pre-sliced. So we're just kind of put this all up here, like so. And I think I'm probably gonna go ahead and put this other chicken maybe right in front of it as well. And you can be as quick or as slow with this. You can just toss it all in a bowl and eat it. It all is the same at the end of the day. But again, I kind of like making stuff pretty. You know, you eat with your eyes first. All right. Okay. And now we have, you know what? I'm actually going to put my crackers on first. You know, I feel that gluten-free, really good tasting gluten-free stuff, gluten-free food is just really hard to come by when it comes to store-bought. But Aldi knows where it is at for these crackers. And I love rosemary too. And it's a flavor that really complements this hummus. Rosemary is probably one of my favorite herbs. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Put that back. And then we'll get some naan on. These are from Sam's. I think they're like $4 or $5, $6. I always serve these with the hummus, and again, people love this. It goes so quickly. Kind of make that right there. I'm not going to use all of it. We'll use it again for another meal. Okay. And let's see here. Let's move this little carrot over. And that was about what, 10, 15 minutes? Which is a pretty good deal whenever you're busy and you're just trying to get some dinner on the table. Obviously, I pre-chopped the vegetables, but you know, that doesn't take long, right? And that's it. There you have it. Let me know what other kinds of things you want to see. Let me know some other quick things. I have lots of plans and lots of ideas to show you ways that you can really make $20 stretch in feeding your family. I have a family of 5, 3 teenagers, and so that is not an easy feat a lot of times, trying to fit within that budget. But most of the time, I make it work. And if I can do it, I know that you can too. You got this.